Hello and welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I wanted to share with you this list that I made of stocks that are under $20 a share. So these are cheap stocks. They're not necessarily cheap, meaning like low PE ratios or anything like that, okay? They're cheap just meaning they're affordable for smaller accounts. So I tried to look for stocks that are under $20 for this list. And I also tried to look for stocks where the companies are pretty good companies, all right? So there are a lot more stocks than on this list that are under $20, but a lot of those companies might be not such great companies. Like, for example, there are a lot of biotechnology companies that are under $20 that I did not put on this list, but they may be companies that are very, very risky, all right? So be aware. And there might be some companies on this list that are risky, and so be aware of the risk, okay? Don't buy a company just because it's on this list, all right? I want you to research the companies for yourself, all right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this list and put it in the description below this video, so you could just copy and paste it for yourself, or just go back to this video whenever you want, and the list will be right here. And then you can research these companies on your own, and make sure that they're great companies and that you like them, okay? These are companies, a lot of them I like, all right? So here are some cheap, affordable stocks. So I'll just read them off really quickly. Nokia, Ericsson, those are more, telecommunications equipment. You got, I've been talking a lot about tanker stocks lately, so Nordic, American Tankers, Frontline, and Euronav. Got a couple of uranium stocks here, Uranium Energy Corp and Cameco. And there are some stocks that are gold and silver type stocks, mining stocks that I like. I am not being paid to make this video, okay? This is not sponsored or anything like this, but I like the companies. Blue Lagoon Resources, First Mining Gold, First Majestic Silver. U.S. Steel is, of course, a steel company. And then there are other companies, CenturyLink, Invesco, Hexo, Aurora, Sundial Growers, okay? You know what kinds of companies these are. Then you have Solo and AYRO, which are more of electric vehicle stocks. Marathon Patent Group, Energy Transfer, Kinder Morgan, Fuel Cell Energy, if you're into the clean energy type of stocks. If you like old school types of stocks that have been around for a long time, you got your Ford and Rite Aid. Those are affordable, right? Fairly cheap. ZNGA Inovio Pharmaceuticals, so I did put a pharmaceutical stock on there. General Electric, that company's been around for a long time. Alpha Pro Tech, I like APT. Ambev, Macy's, if you think that retail is going to recover, that's one way to go. Credit Suisse, American Airlines, ADT Home Security. You got GameStop. If you like hologram technology, if you think that's the future, WIMI. Hologram Cloud, Cinemark, SunWorks, GEVO, Ocean Power Technologies, that's an interesting one. MOMO, GLUU Mobile, GEO Group, and CoreCivic. These are GEO Group and CoreCivic are prison stocks, private prisons. So that's kind of an interesting one, all right? Something different for you. So I tried to put a very diverse list on there. I think it's interesting. And so now you can explore stocks even if you have a smaller account size, and some of these, maybe even all of these, are good stocks for you to check out, all right? And I want to add to this list. I want to make maybe another video later with an even bigger list of cheap stocks. But, if you make recommendations, please put them in the comments section below this video. But please only really high quality stocks. I don't want anything so risky that people could quickly lose all their money, right? I want the good stuff, okay? Cool. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. It's not sponsored or anything. I just wanted to put the information out to you so you can get started and do your own research. Thanks a lot for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.